Hello, this is Katrina Lyman, and this is my enhancement 7. So I have already logged in. Let's see, I'll just log out and log in. Okay, so here I am at the login screen, logged in as admin user. Go to update account information and see I have the wave validator tool shows it's good. CSS shows it's good. And oh, that's not for this page. This page, the HTML is good. If I am on the admin page and I verify my HTML, it shows me some errors. It's saying that some of the elements are not closed properly, but I have examined my code for that admin view, and I don't understand why it's saying that some of those things aren't closed properly, because if you look at my code, everything is closed properly. So I don't really understand how to get rid of that error message. So maybe you have some advice for that. So I wanted to put that in there because I would like some feedback on that. Okay, but back to this template. If I am on the update account information, I think I have it all set where if I make some changes, now it shows, thank you, your account's been updated, and here it shows me the change that was made. And if I go to the local host, refresh this, you can see the name was changed. Go back, we'll try updating the account again. I'll change it back to just admin, and I'll try changing the last name to account, and we'll change the email address and update the account. Now it shows admin account with the new email address, and if I look at the local host, refresh that, it shows admin account with the new email address. So it looks like all of the updates for the account are working properly. I'm just going to change this back to user and change the email address back. Okay, and that's done. Now let's test out updating the password. First we'll try submitting without changing the password. I'll just put in what the password currently is. I press update. Oh, it says that it was changed. That doesn't make sense. Why, every time I try and I think I have it, it doesn't work. Well, let's see what happens if I leave it blank. Please fill out this. Let's try to no validate, and I'll try it again. Please provide information for all the empty fields. Let's try changing it. Thank you, your password has been changed. I'm going to change it back. Thank you, it's been changed. I'm going to go back to the drawing board and see if I can figure out why it accepted an empty value. Or actually, it accepted the same value. It allowed me to update my password without actually changing my password. I just put in exactly what was already stored and it worked. So I don't really understand why that worked, but I guess it was a valid password, so does it really matter? Maybe it doesn't. Okay.